Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to solve your Windows license will expire soon but Windows is activated problem. This is the most common problem and many users reported that this message appears even if their Windows is already activated. Your Windows license will expire soon keeps popping up. This message can be rather annoying because it appears frequently. However, you should be able to fix this problem by using one of our solutions. There are no such way that can solve this problem except active Windows again. On this point, in Windows 10 version 1709 there have no method that works properly, like changing group policy. Actually, if you want to get rid of this problem, you have to do is active your Windows again. This method will work 100%. In this case there are lots more easy method that activate your Windows properly. In the description below I am giving a link of Windows 10 activation.
Thanks for watching the video.